Hi guys, in this video let's record Zoom meeting without host permission. Here I am trying to record but I don't have host permission.
What is the initial
So
rule?
come back and extract the zip file here on desktop.
Let the
I
initial
provided
root be.
link in the description. You
Let
can
the
download it there.
initial Root B. X naught equal to what is the value, my dears? Modulus of f of 2s
And after extraction you will get this recording file. So click on it to install on your PC and follow the steps to install it.
Yes, ma'am, it is f of 2 is 0.5979 and f of 3 through 23.
f of 3 what is the value?
0.231364.
Okay. So f of 2 is greater than f of 3. Then what is the x naught?
3, ma'am.
Scoop of down. X naught is 3. So we can go for the first iteration, my dears. Put n equal to 0, you can get x1. X naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. So you can kindly tell me what is x naught is 3. So f of 3 you can find. What is
And
f of
after
3, my
installation
dears?
I opened it, but it is not upgraded version. So come back.
0.231364.
Now
ma'am.
open the crack folder. Here you find
13?
version of x64.
64.
Open it and copy the application
Four.
inside it. And now come back and open file location option. Then after that give a right click and paste the copied application there.
F dash of
Now refresh and close the tab.
3 minus 0.316.
That's it. Recorder is now upgraded.
Ma'am, is it 0.91?
So you can capture the Zoom meeting by selecting the area of screen. All done.
15.
15.
Can someone please verify this?
Correct. I got it. F dash of 3 correct, my dears.
Here is the recorded outcome of the Zoom meeting.
9.
I hope you liked this video. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.